For those who push boundaries every day, Baumer HHS presents the next generation of hot melt technology made for your daily challenges. Efficiency, innovation, future. The all-new Xmelt Fusion, the new benchmark, born from experience and vision. A consistent melting rate of a minimum 12 kg per hour makes the Xmelt Fusion ready for every application. With a redesigned melting zone and smarter insulation, Xmelt Fusion delivers higher output with a smaller footprint. Innovation you can feel. Front access instead of full disassembly. Back to production directly. Touch, swipe, control with a smart 3.5-inch interface built right in. Advanced functions, the external 7-inch touch display. With the new real-time monitoring of adhesive and energy consumption, you're always in control. With recipe management and adhesive database, changeovers are faster than ever. 20 years of reliability, reimagined for the challenges ahead. Whatever your challenge is, we have the size that fits. Xmelt Fusion is now available in 3 versions. The standard for packaging applications, automation ready. For smooth, uninterrupted operations, demanding non-feedable adhesives? No problem. The special volume has you covered. Efficiency, innovation, future, the all-new Xmelt Fusion. Discover now at baumerhhs.com.